Hello, welcome to this very brief introduction to our recently published paper, Enhanced Marine Sulphur Emissions Offset Global Warming and Impact Rainfall. It's been suggested that nutrients could be added to the ocean in an attempt to fertilise the growth of marine phytoplankton, to remove more carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. A possible side effect of this proposed geoengineering method is that marine phytoplankton can release a compound known as dimethyl sulphide, and this sulphur-containing compound can form sulphate aerosol in the atmosphere. And the small droplets of sulphate aerosol can scatter incoming solar radiation, known as the direct effect, and also alter cloud properties, which may have indirect effects on the climate. In this particular study, we ignored most of the mechanisms in the bottom left, and instead chose to focus on the question of what would happen if dimethyl sulphide emissions were to increase. How would that impact the climate? In order to investigate this question, we've used a state-of-the-art global climate model. And to summarise very briefly, we found that enhanced dimethyl sulphide emissions can decrease surface temperature, offsetting global warming. This is potentially a positive impact, but the enhanced emissions can lead to an inhomogeneous rainfall response, which may adversely impact human livelihoods. This is potentially a very negative impact. It's also worthwhile noting that we haven't considered the potential negative impacts on ocean ecosystems. So we wouldn't recommend such a form of geoengineering, even if it were to be possible, but more research needs to be done.